Ever missed your favorite show and wished you could record it on IPTV? You're not alone today. In this video, we'll delve into whether recording shows on IPTV is actually possible or not. IPTV services are revolutionizing how we watch TV, but can you record live shows easily? Stick around as we explore this together and find out if missing a show is a thing of the past. First up, let's discuss how IPTV is different from traditional cable TV with unique benefits. With IPTV, you can stream shows live over the internet, but recording them is the key question. Some services include built-in recording features, while others require third-party apps or tools. 2TV.store, our top IPTV provider, offers seamless recording options worth checking out. Imagine never missing a high-stakes game or your favorite drama with these simple setups. Let's go through how to optimize your IPTV setup for seamless and effective recording. Built-in DVRs or external apps can help you capture those essential TV moments hassle-free. Cloud-based recording can be a game changer for storing and accessing recorded content. Bear in mind, content availability and recording rules can vary across IPTV services. Our recommendation, 2TV.store, integrates user-friendly recording features and reliable service. Join us and explore exciting possibilities in IPTV, turning missed shows into past woes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more IPTV tips and tricks. Until next time, happy streaming.